Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to create Hotmail in mobile full guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, what you need to do is to go to your App Store. On getting to your App Store or Play Store for Android user, what you need to do is to simply click on search for Android user. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on search apps and game. And here, what you need to do here is to simply type in Outlook. Then click on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this one right here. Let's open up like so. So as at the time of making this video, 1 billion plus people have successfully downloaded and installed this app. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on install right here. So after a successful download and install the app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on create new account. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter your username right here. So after you enter your username, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then at this point here, select Hotmail. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on next. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter your login password. And the next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then enter your account name. Then click on next. Then choose your nationality from here. So I'm selecting Nigeria. Date of birth right here. Day and the year. Then click on next. Then right here, click on next. Then you have to use this particular button to control in the hand of this. So for you to do that, I'm going to simply use this arrow right here. Good. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on submit. Then I need to use this arrow right here to turn into the position of the hand. For me to do that, I will simply click on this arrow like this and like this, like this. Good. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on submit. Then I'm going to use this arrow right here to turn to the position of this hand like this. Good. Then I'll simply click on submit. Then I'm going to use this particular arrow, this arrow here, to turn to the position of the hand. I'm going to turn the share. Then I'm going to simply click on submit. And I'm going to use this arrow right here to control the position of the chair. Then I'll click on submit. Verification complete. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on OK right here. Add another account. I will click on maybe later right here. Then right here, I'll click on next. Then right here, I'll click on accept. Then I will click on continue to Outlook. Enable notification, I will simply click on turn on. It's as simple as that. I'll click on allow. And if I click on the profile icon from the top right here, let's check it out. Now we have my username at hotmail.com. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to create Hotmail in mobile without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.